For this workout, we'll be using a resistance band. These bands are portable, easy to store, and allow you to work your muscles from different angles. This means a more toned look overall. Let's get started. When you're doing this exercise, remember to sit back into the squat, keeping your knees aligned over your ankles, not your toes. Avoid rounding your back, keeping your spine long and your back straight. For this exercise, keep the band taut the whole time, making sure there's no slack, even when you're bending your arm back down. And remember to keep your elbow pointing up towards the ceiling. Avoid lifting your shoulders up to your ears as you raise your arms, and don't allow the band to pull your hand down. Keep your wrists in a neutral position with your palms facing the floor. When lunging, lower your back knee to the floor, keeping your heel up, and make sure that your front knee is aligned right over your ankle. For an easier option, you can eliminate the lunges. Engage your abs during this exercise and avoid lifting your leg too high. You shouldn't be leaning too far over. You should be fairly upright. For less intensity, you can hold one handle in each hand.